Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing this Revlon hair tool again. I shared it a year ago. I'm still using and loving it. It is a perfect gift for holidays, so that's why I'm sharing it again. And I'm also going to share like a more slowed down full tutorial, if you will, instead of just a speed through to show you quickly how it works. So if you want to know more about this and why it's awesome and why it would be the perfect Christmas gift, then just keep watching. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. My hair is just going to be towel dried. I put this up probably 10 minutes ago. So that's what my hair status is. I am going to put my leave-in spray that I use every day on it. This is cedarwood, lavender, rosemary, and witch hazel. This is like a mermaid hairspray. That's what we call it. I use this on the girls as well, but it's basically like a leave-in treatment. I'm just going to take the towel out. I'm going to spray some of this in my hair. I also made a spray for the girls that's a little bit different. It's made with a little bit of conditioner and then water, so it's like a leave-in conditioner plus the added benefits of the lavender and cedarwood and rosemary and all of the good hair oils. Okay, now I'm just going to brush through my hair. And I might speed this part up because it takes me a while.
Fever burning in my bones, a true believer when you're coming close, light up like neon.
Now that my hair is brushed, I'm going to tie up probably 2/3 of my hair. I'm going to probably do 3 sections. So I'm going to leave 1/3 of my hair down and start with that much.
Caught in your afterglow, baby, you're a new song, singing back on your echo.
Alright, so make sure again that it's all brushed. Okay, so it's not too thick of a section, and I'm just going to take pieces that are really like big, like large enough to fit on the brush. So this is like, I don't know, 3 or 4 inches, so I guess that much. And I'm just gonna go and brush through like this. I'm not going to speed through, but I might mute this part because this is pretty loud. So just wanted you to know, like, that much. I don't know if that makes sense. So I'm going to turn it on high and literally just brush through my hair.
Can't let you go, rhythm of your love got me singing. Oh, I can't get enough, rhythm of your.
Another thing I want to know is, like, once I get to like halfway down and then towards the end, I keep turning this so that it keeps grabbing the hair so it doesn't just go through. I want it to spend enough time, if that makes sense. So I do turn the brush like this as I go down. Okay.
Sing it back on your echoes.
Okay, so this little section is done, and I'm just going to move to the next section. Okay, so this bottom layer is all done. I'm going to take down another third and then do the exact same thing. The only thing that I will change is on the very top layer, I'm going to do the pieces a little bit differently in how I grab them and place them when I'm done. But for this section, it's pretty much the same exact thing. I'm just going to separate the dry pieces and throw them back. And this is the section that I need to do, and the same thing on this side. Okay.
Looking right at you, I didn't want to leave before the sun came up. Without looking for it, fell into your orbit, stayed under your influence. Stay on my mind just a little bit longer. Don't wanna let this go. I'm falling up every minute, it's stronger. Gravity losing hold. Oh, it keeps me up, waiting on your love. Needing you right now, heart beating so loud, free falling.
For the last section, I'm going to do just smaller pieces, and then as I go through and dry them, I'm going to let them cool on the opposite side so that it gives you a little more volume. So I am going to just start on one side. I'm going to grab all of the hair that I need to do still. And I hope you can see like the texture of my hair, how much hair I have, and that it's pretty wavy, and how well this works, and how fast it works. So I think I'm gonna tie all of my dry hair together here so it doesn't come back to the front. Okay, so I'm just going to grab smaller sections. So I'm gonna use my hand and just grab a section like this. it's a pretty thin section, and then I'm just going to go through, and after I'm done drying, I'm going to flip it to this side so that it cools in that direction. So, grab the rest of my hair here. I am all done. I didn't look at the clock. I think it was at 11. So let's see, that would have been, so 17 minutes to dry and style my hair. That's amazing. I just love the volume that you get, because even if you're just blow drying your hair, and what I do to get volume when I'm blow drying normally is just like flip my hair upside down to dry that way. But then when you flip your hair back, it's just like a mess, and it's knotty, and it's not smooth like this. I'm never going back to a regular blow dryer unless I'm in a really big hurry and I don't need to style my hair. I just need to quickly dry it. Maybe I'll use my regular blow dryer from time to time, but I haven't used it hardly at all in the last year. And like I said, a year ago is when I first did this review on this hair tool. This video is not sponsored. I'm just sharing it again because it's that good. It's good because it's a perfect gift for anyone, not just for specific hair types. I've seen it done on like any hair type, and everyone that I've seen do a review on this tool loves it, and you can see why. It's just really easy to use. I don't feel like it damages my hair, honestly. I have not noticed that at all. I think it's because you're just doing it so quickly. You're not spending time blow drying and then straightening your hair. It's like less time with heat, less damage kind of thing. So I really love it, you guys. I hope that this tutorial helped you a little bit more than my last one, to those of you who didn't like the sped up version of me using it last time. But if you have any other questions on this hair tool or anything that I really used like a hair tie brush and my spray. But if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching today. Have a good day. Bye.